Welcome to Hülya's Turkish Kitchen. Today I'll be making a traditional Turkish soup called Tarhana Çorba. This is a lovely thick and creamy soup typically made from fermented yogurt and grains. Packets of dried tarhana can be purchased from many international stores. Here's what you'll need. This recipe serves approximately 6 people. The tarhana I've used today is called Maraş Tarhana, which is made with sun-dried cracked wheat, thyme and salt. Let's get started. Maraş Tarhana comes in thin wafer-like sheets of dried cracked wheat. As they are so thin, there is no need to pre-soak them as you would need to do with alternative types of tarhana. Put them straight into a large saucepan able to take at least 4 litres of water. If wanting to make less, just half the ingredients in this recipe. Pour 2 litres of boiling water into the pan. Place on the stove and cook on low heat until the tarhana starts to break up. Give it a few stirs, then cover and leave to simmer. Meanwhile, prepare the other ingredients. Chop into small cubes 1 hellim or halloumi. Typically, hellim is used when making this soup in Cyprus, and I have fond memories of my mum making this soup for us with hellim as a child. So it was a must to add it to my recipe, but it is optional and can be left out. Coarsely chop 3 garlic cloves. No need to worry about cutting them too small as we will be blending the soup later. Check on the pan and stir regularly to avoid the tarhana sticking at the bottom. Add another litre of water or as necessary to ensure the soup isn't too thick. Next, climatize the yogurt with a little of the water from the pan to ensure it doesn't curdle when added. About 4 ladlefuls of water should be enough. Adding yogurt helps to achieve the typical sour characteristics of this soup. Pour the warmed yogurt into the pan and blend in. In a medium-sized pan, melt 120 grams of butter. Add the chopped garlic and saute on medium heat. Then add the chopped hellim. Make sure the pieces are separate, breaking them up if needed. Increase the heat to high as we don't want the hellim to melt, rather to get them crispy on the outside. After a few minutes, add 1 tablespoon of pepper puree. Blend in with the hellim. When thoroughly blended, add the seasoning. 1 tablespoon dried mint, 1 teaspoon chilli pepper and 1 teaspoon salt. Once the seasoning has been blended in, take off the heat. Going back to the pan now, give it a stir, then using a hand blender, blend to a smooth consistency. Once you have the consistency you like, pour in the hellim mixture. Gently mix in. Add more water as needed. In total, I used just over 4 litres of water for 500 grams of tarhana. There's the option to add 240 grams of pre-cooked chickpeas, and you can use tinned chickpeas, which should be rinsed first. Afiyet olsun. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Hülya's Turkish Kitchen.